The 2026 Suzuki GN250 is proof that simplicity and classic design never go out of style, and today on Bike Studio we're taking a closer look at why this legendary motorcycle still holds a special place in the hearts of riders around the world. Suzuki has kept the GN250 true to its roots, blending timeless retro styling with modern refinements that make it more reliable and enjoyable for everyday riding. From the moment you see it, the round headlamp, chrome accents, flat seat, and clean fuel tank lines give off a pure old-school vibe that feels refreshingly authentic in a world full of aggressive, futuristic bikes. At the heart of the 2026 Suzuki GN250 is a dependable 249 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine that's built for smooth performance and long-term durability. It's not about chasing top speed numbers, but rather delivering a relaxed and predictable ride that feels perfect for city commuting and weekend cruising. The power delivery is smooth, the throttle response is friendly, and the engine feels happiest when ridden at a calm, steady pace. Suzuki's tuning makes this bike ideal for beginners while still being enjoyable for experienced riders who appreciate a laid-back riding experience. One of the strongest points of the GN250 is comfort. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-cushioned seat make long rides surprisingly easy. Whether you're navigating traffic or enjoying an open road, the bike feels balanced and lightweight, inspiring confidence at every turn. The suspension setup is simple but effective, soaking up bumps and uneven roads without feeling harsh. This makes the 2026 GN250 especially appealing in regions where road conditions can vary. Suzuki has also made subtle updates to improve reliability and efficiency. The fuel system is tuned for better mileage, making the GN250 an economical choice for daily riders. Maintenance remains simple, with easy access to components and a reputation for bulletproof reliability that Suzuki is known for. This is the kind of motorcycle that you can own for years without constant worries or expensive upkeep. The 2026 Suzuki GN250 isn't trying to be flashy or overpowered, and that's exactly its charm. It's a motorcycle that focuses on the joy of riding, the connection between rider and machine, and the freedom that comes with two wheels. If you love classic motorcycles, value comfort and reliability, and want a bike that fits perfectly into everyday life, the GN250 deserves your attention. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Bike Studio for more motorcycle content like this.